All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, we went over the mappings. Today, we're going to go over struts. Now, let's go over struts. We'll begin by declaring a strut. To declare a strut, we'll say strut and call it person. The person strut will hold two pieces of data. The first data we will call name, and this will be a string with a length of 10. The second data will be an age for the person, and we're going to use an integer for that, or uint256. Next, we'll create a state variable of type strut. Let's name this person and we'll make it a public variable. The data type that we are going to store is person, the strut. And this is what we should have so far. So you can see here we have our strut person. Inside is going to have two pieces of information or two pieces of data. It's going to be the person's name, which is going to be a string with the fixed size list of 10, meaning we're only going to allow 10 characters for the person's name. And then we're going to have the person's age, which is going to be an unsigned integer of 256. Then we're going to have a person, a store or a state called person, which is going to be a public variable, which we're going to store our strut person, which is going to be the information that is that's assigned to our person. So this state variable here is going to hold our variable, which is going to hold the information from our strut person. I'm not going to move too far ahead right now on the struts because we're all going to go over different aspects and a bunch of different topics on the strut. So I don't want to get the wires crossed and get us mixed up going too fast, too far. So we're going to leave it like that for now. And I am going to show you that the code that we all going to be running inside our remix when we do get back over there. Let me see if I can scan up for you. So you can see here we have our strut. And there's so much here because we're building off the top of everything we've already done. So this is the strut we're going to be introducing to our contract. And we do have a bunch of other things going on that I'm going to explain once we get back to our Remix IDE. Now, notice we didn't introduce the hash map yet that we went over previously yesterday that we talked about. That's going to be coming up soon in the next remix, the next remix session. So it's not going to be in this one. We're going to go over struts first, actually. Even though we introduced the hash maps first, we're going to go over the struts first, and then we're going to go over the hash maps. But yeah, but with that being said, I will keep you posted every step of the way as we move forward. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.